Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can turn on Etsy ads, so let's get right into it. I'll be showing you how to make an ad campaign here on the official documentation, because I do not have access to the shop manager, because I don't have some valid information which is needed to open up a shop, so this is what I have to settle with. I hope you guys can understand. So to set up an Etsy ad campaign, you literally just need to use the tools that are provided for you on the Etsy shop manager, and you just need to pretty much select a budget for the maximum daily spending on ads, and after that you're pretty much set. So to set up the ads, you just need to go to your shop manager, and on the seller app select more. On the site you need to go to shop manager. On the app you just need to go to more. Then you need to go into marketing, and then go into Etsy ads. This is exactly where you're going to need to set your daily budget, and when you set your daily budget, that is the absolute maximum amount of money that can be used on ads during one full day. The minimum requirement is $1, so you won't be able to set up a budget lower than that. However, anything above $1 is whatever you can set up, however much money you can allocate to ads. That should depend, of course, on your prices and everything, but that is a completely different science. Pretty much you just need to set your maximum budget, then select start advertising, and that'll pretty much launch your marketing campaign for your products. Now you can also set up different options, such as which countries your buyers can see your ads in. So you just need to go to the shop manager again, go to settings, shipping profiles, choose edit for the profile you want to update, add or remove locations, and then save profile, and that is automatically gonna allocate the ads to specific countries that you have set up. Other than that, you can choose which listings to advertise. Again, go into Etsy ads, go to manage advertised listings, find the listing you want to advertise or not, and then just select the button add on or off to include it or disclude it from the campaign. You can also check the boxes next to multiple listings, then go to turn listings and select on or off. If you want to turn them on or off, then choose update, and that is pretty much it. And other than that, there really is nothing to mention. Other than that, you can go and change your daily budget. You can modify other options, and I do recommend you check out this official documentation on Etsy. It's how to set up and manage an Etsy ads campaign. But other than that, that's all that I wanted to mention. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.